Hi, I'm Allison Wood, and I'm Principal of Legal Ethics Consulting in Chicago. I hope this message finds you healthy and fine during these incredibly challenging times. For those of you who may not know me, I'm a lawyer for lawyers, and I've kind of made it my mission to keep good lawyers out of trouble. To that end, I am really excited to share with you that I'm in the third week of my 5-week online program. It's called Solo Practice Makeover, and it is exactly what it sounds like. It is very exciting to work with a very small number of solo attorneys and unpack a little bit of their practice every week. It gives us a great opportunity to make assessments about what's working, what's not working, and most importantly, I can help them identify what they might be doing that could expose them to a disciplinary or malpractice claim. So if you'd like to recharge your solo practice and protect your license, call me, send me an email or a direct message. I would love to work with you. And remember, space is limited. I'm only working with a small number of lawyers at a time. So don't delay. Reach out to me and let's get you registered. Thanks, have a great day, and stay safe. Bye.